Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, we wanted to remind you that all proceeds from our channel are donated to charity. Please help us help others by giving us a thumbs up, commenting, or subscribing to our channel. Your support makes a difference. Princess Cruises has just announced some controversial updates to its Premier package, pushing it even further into all-inclusive territory. But with these changes comes the questions: is it worth the upgrade, and will it work? First, let's dive into what's new and how it compares to the Princess Plus package. We aren't going to analyze in this video whether a package itself is worth it for you on a Princess cruise versus just going with the standard fare. In our opinion, the decision between purchasing a cruise package or sticking with standard fare and paying a la carte depends on your personal preferences and habits. If you enjoy the convenience of having everything covered and plan to indulge in multiple premium services, a package can be a great deal. However, if you're more conservative in your onboard spending, the standard fare with selective a la carte purchases might suit you better. But if you've decided to buy a package, which one should you buy considering the new changes? For voyages starting mid-August through late October 2024, the enhanced Princess Premier package goes on sale with a price of $90 per person per day, up from $80. The Princess Plus package still costs $60 per day, so the difference in price will now be $30 per day. What's new? Now, the package still includes highlights such as unlimited daily beverages, up to $20 value, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic, unlimited fitness classes, and unlimited use of Wi-Fi with a 4-device limit. But the new big change is that it includes unlimited specialty dining rather than only 2 specialty dining meals per cruise. What are the major differences between the Plus and Premier packages? The Premier package offers several key upgrades, including unlimited specialty dining versus no included specialty dining meals for the Plus package. And this is the difference that most passengers will find appealing, but it is also the most controversial, which we will talk about in a minute. A broader selection of premium beverages are included, better wines and spirits with a value up to $20 versus $15 for the Plus. For example, we like wine, and the difference is being able to have unlimited recognized wine brands such as Meiomi, Duckhorn, or Silverado versus a house wine. Unlimited fitness classes on board are included with the new Premier package versus only 2 per cruise with the Plus package. These can cost up to $20 per class. And Wi-Fi for up to 4 devices compared to just 1 with the Plus package. While Princess is touting a change in the Wi-Fi offering for both packages, this mainly reflects their ongoing fleet-wide upgrade to Starlink, which will enhance the overall internet experience on board. Although Princess says that those with a standard fare and no package will only have access to the classic slower internet speeds that Princess passengers have experienced in the past. These enhancements make the Premier package a more comprehensive option for those looking to enjoy all the premium services available during their cruise. So should you upgrade from the Princess Plus package, which costs $60 per day, to the new Premier package at $90 per day? In general, any package is good for those who don't want to worry about a bill at the end of their cruise. But which package? The Premier package adds significant value if you plan to dine at specialty restaurants frequently, enjoy premium beverages, need multiple devices connected to Wi-Fi, or want access to unlimited fitness classes. For these passengers, the upgrade seems clear. To put this in perspective for you, here are a few different scenarios where you would make up the difference in price. But these calculations are a rough estimate. If you plan to have 1 premium drink per day and take 1 fitness class per day, or if you have 3 premium drinks per day, or plan to dine at a specialty dining restaurant more than 5 times on a 7-day cruise, you nearly make up the difference with just those scenarios. Now let's tackle the bigger question: will this new package work? Our honest opinion is that there will be challenges, particularly when it comes to availability. The main issue we foresee is a bottleneck with specialty dining reservations. Most ships have only 2 to 3 specialty restaurants, each accommodating around 50 passengers per night. With an estimated 10% of passengers opting for the Premier package, demand will likely outstrip supply, leaving some guests feeling frustrated and disappointed. This may work much better for Princess's newer Sphere-class ships like the Sun Princess that we enjoyed this year, that have 6 specialty restaurants at this time. But remember, those ships have more passengers, over 4,000, so some of the same issues may be encountered. Imagine paying for the Premier package with the expectation of enjoying specialty dining every night, only to find that reservations are fully booked. This could lead to a lot of unhappy customers, especially those who were looking forward to these dining experiences as a highlight of their cruise. However, over time, we believe passengers will adapt. They'll start to understand that despite paying for the ability to dine at specialty restaurants every night, getting all the reservations they want may not always be possible. It's crucial to manage expectations in this regard. One thing that can help is using the Princess app to make reservations before your cruise. The timing for when you can book specialty dining varies. Sometimes reservations are available months in advance and other times only about a month before your sail date. Our advice is to check your Princess app early and often if securing these dining experiences is important to you. In summary, the Premier package offers excellent value if you plan to use all its perks, but it's not without its potential downsides. Availability issues might mean you won't get to enjoy all the benefits you're paying for, so it's essential to stay on top of your reservations and manage your expectations. Let us know in the comments. Will you be upgrading to the new Premier package? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cruise tips and reviews. All profits from our channel are donated to charity, so thank you, and remember that your support makes a difference.